What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for this video, we will be showing you a potential solution for the solar farm mission in the FLL Superpowered 2022-2023 game. Completion of this mission achieves 20 points, and this will be shown from a few different angles. If you would like additional details on the robot, please stay tuned for the end of the video, and now let's get into it. The key feature of this robot that allowed us to complete this mission consistently is our attachment. I would like to point out that we intend to use this particular one for every mission on the field. We like showing that all missions can be completed with a well-designed and thought-out attachment rather than using several different ones that will likely take extra time to switch out in between missions. For this particular arm, we have geared it such that the dumper on the end remains level no matter what height the arm is at. This allows us to move around the field and not have to worry about pieces falling out of the dumper or hitting the arm on anything. The dumper itself is a passive mechanism where the two yellow pieces sticking down must be pushed in order for the dumper to rotate and release what it's holding. This way, we don't need an additional motor to dump any contents. The dumper is also designed such that it can pull up, push down, pull forward, and push back. I will note that we will make modifications to the attachment as we move forward, but they will all be modifications that do not impact our success on other missions. And again, we will only be using this one attachment. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Feel free to check out all our other LEGO videos in the playlist in the top left corner. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video. Feel free to follow my Instagram and TikTok in the description below. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.